Giving the camshaft a bit of TLC. It's pretty bad considering the oil was dried in it, so you can see all the scratch marks in it and that. The way I have figured out to do it is, hang on, let me turn this radio down. Okay, so the camshaft was pretty chewed up. You can see all the marks on it everywhere. It was pretty bad at the start. It was like this. Absolutely pivoted. So what I found was wet and dry sandpaper. Just put a little plastic thing on the bench here like that, so it sits in there. Grab a drill, put a bit of glove in there and shove the socket in there that would fit, jammed it in place, and wet your sandpaper. Stick your sandpaper on there. 1200 wet and dry I used, and it seems to work pretty well. And just continue the process of doing this. And same thing even on the actual cams. You can do it there as well, just a bit slower. So it seems to work pretty well. Easy hack at home if you haven't got a lathe in that. You just want to clean it up. There you go.